is Cassie's channel, and today we are gonna do Gifeez. So we got it from Auntie Tracy, but before we start, we want to say thank you for Auntie Tracy to give us the Gifeez. So you have, where is, so we already used one because we just wanted to play with it super bad. So let's open this. So me and Cassie will have our own one still.
Okay, let her open the other one. And then you can open the other one.
How do I open this? FBI, open up.
So Auntie gave us 3 Gifeez.
Yeah,
But
we
let-
used one.
And also, she added more markers for us to use on. But let's show this one. So Gifeez has color, spin turner, and an anime. Okay. So 30 plus animations. You're gonna make Among Us? You think you can make it? Huh, babes? Are you gonna make Among Us thing? Okay. So what was that you were saying to me, Baba? About the fun fact?
Yeah, so fun fact, these weren't actually made from the future. These were the first things that were animations. So, before theaters, these used to be, so these aren't made from today. These were actually made years ago, centuries, like in the 17s.
70s?
Yeah. No, like 17s.
Really? How did you know about that?
Because it's from like a really long time. This is before theaters were made.
Oh. Okay, so tell me what you guys got in the box.
So we got 30 animation thingies.
Show it.
And
No, show it one by one so they can see.
here is art. Here
An art?
is an animation.
Here, put it here, put it here. No,
Another-
you can show it here.
Another animation. An animation, but you can do it on your own. Another animation, a llama.
Okay, hold on. It's actually it's not so
Turbo.
And then in
the back side is something else too. A kitty mermaid, laugh emoji.
Oh wow, is all the boxes the same?
Yeah. Oh,
Okay.
this one is an art. But do you want to see what happens in?
Oh, you can show it later.
Mama, look
Show
what
everything
I wanna
first.
show you. And we have this one. Then we have your own art. But I'm going to show you the cool part about this one.
Okay.
And we have this one. Mama, look. We have a sloth animation. And also another animation. And bacon.
Bacon.
And guess what?
Oh, wow.
Two.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
And it includes stickers. Let's show them the stickers.
It is choose
Oh.
the stickers. There's
And the markers. So how many markers are actually included in there?
5.
So show me the colors, Cass.
Yeah. And also you can stack them together. Orange, blue, pink, yellow.
Okay, so there are only how many? How many colors are in there?
I have 5. I have 4.
You only have 4? No, I don't think so. Okay, so let's show them. And then you have stickers and then also, so 5 markers for each box, huh? So we have a total of 15. And Auntie also gave us more markers. These are washable. It's not sponsored, but we just want to say thank you, Auntie, for giving us more fun activities to do at home. Right, guys?
Okay, so I'm going to show you why the blank one is the coolest.
Okay. There are supposed to be, so this is the spinner. there are two
modes.
Yeah, two modes.
I'm putting art, so I put the art mode, and animation mode is right here, and the middle one is off.
Okay.
So if you want to know, this thing is animation. I mean, this one is art.
That's art. Okay.
And you have to go to the art settings that look. So if this one looks similar, the same design as the art settings, and also the animation. So
it's gonna be easy even for little kids to use it.
Yeah. So I'm going to be. This is how you make a perfect circle while making a spin.
Oh wow.
Now, let me show you another way. It's like you're making something incredible. So I'm making different colors. So you can see that I just made different colors already. You have to be
Cass is also making her own.
I'm making Among Us.
Among Us.
You're sus. You're so sus.
Okay, and Kuya's making
I'm
his own.
voting you.
What?
I'm voting you.
You're voting me? I
Look.
don't know because I don't play Among Us, so I don't really understand that.
You have to act like a person like this.
No.
Like
You're
you're
fine.
like walking, so you have to do tasks like completing. My mom hadn't played Among Us yet, so that's why she does not know. So,
Okay, so that was the
I'm
art.
going to be showing.
Can you show an animation though?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, I can't show you mine, so I'm gonna make a new version of this one. Well, here's the one that I did off camera, and I'm gonna go show it to you.
Wait, let's dim the light first. Cool.
Looks like they're jumping. Like smash. So the one it looks much better, right?
Yeah, but for some reason, like I see something like the light. It's not really, I don't know. So, wait. Let me show it first. So this is what Cassie did. And then, this is what Kuya before that. So that's how it looks like. And Kuya only made like a circle. And look how it's gonna
Looks
change.
like it's moving around.
That's art, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let's try animation. So Cassie did this thing. And we'll find out.
The animation one?
Okay, change this to animation mode. Okay.
Blah, 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 blah.
Oh.
It looks like it's saying. I made that.
Yeah, Cassie made that. And she's making another Among Us here.
Actually,
I think
I know where her old Among Us is. Among Us.
Oh.
So
You think Zakli and Kuya Scotty and Frando are gonna
Might
like
be,
this
yes.
one? Yeah, so we're gonna send them some too. It's cool, huh, babes? Do you like it, Cass?
I'm making finished making another one, and I'm going to check out if
This is art, right?
Yeah. And also, I'm gonna looks so cool. Mine's in rock. Mine's is not art. Mine's is in rock.
Okay, yours is in. That's art still, babes. Okay, turn it on.
See?
It seems like that looks like animation.
Yeah, it is animation.
Yeah, because of the reason why I said it's animation because of this.
Yeah, because when it's a man running,
Yes.
it's animation mode.
Okay.
But if it's just in circles on this part,
So I'm gonna make mine too. Okay, Kuya did his, and then Cassie did hers, And so, here, baby. Here, baby. Okay.
So, Cassey and Mom are making the kitty. So, this is Mom's. And this one's Cassie's.
Yeah, so this is what I made, and Cassie is still coloring her thing. You gotta color it nicely, baby. So I colored the background light blue.
Zapping in the back.
And then the heart, I colored it pink, and then orange for the shirt. Now let's find out, baby. So let's find out how this thing is gonna look. But let's turn on to animation. Okay, so it's already on the animation mode. Okay, are you guys ready? Baby, look. Hold on, let's dim the.
I can also do like this.
Oh, look.
Saw that?
Oh, so pretty. Look at that.
Look, see all the yellow?
Nice, huh?
Look, see?
Let me see yours. Ooh. But you gotta color it a little bit nicer next time, okay, baby? It's fun, huh? I like it. Oh, you're making a circle too?
Yeah.
Okay, finish that.
I can also
But look at mine. It's super pretty. Now, the cool thing about it is you can also change another color. And then look at the back part of this one. Stop this. So that's how it looks like.
So she got muddy once I got mad.
The back side of it, you can also do another one. So let's do this thing. So this is what Cassie did, making a lot of smiley faces. Okay, turn it on, Cass.
And all of them are coming right to me.
Cool, huh?
And also it's going fast.
Yeah, it is.
And also they're coming slow and fast, and going backward. Even
And this is what I did. So I'm done, and let's find out how this thing's gonna glow. Oh, nice. Huh, it's fun. So this is actually a good activity for your little ones. They're gonna be having a fun time with this. And that's it. So this is a snail, and we will try to do this thing because it has a black background, so it's gonna be super cool if we do this thing. Let's find out. Oh, here's the snail. I know. Here's the snail. I colored it with different colors. It's a rainbow color. Aw, here we go. And ta-da! Whoa, look at that. Babes, look at that one.
Hope you have fun. And please subscribe and hit that bell. And share this video with your friends or family.
And this is also a good bonding time with